हेलो व्यूअर्स, यू आर वाचिंग एसएनएस वर्ल्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। आप लोग कैसे हैं? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आई एम सत्यनारायण शाह। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट स्टैंडर्ड 10 ज्योग्राफी। टॉपिक इज क्लाइमेट। Climate, it is different from weather. Climate, it has been calculated over 30 or 35 years status of weather. Climate, what you know from this climate chapter: temperature, rainfall, direction of winds, atmospheric pressure, these things. This chapter cover factors affecting the climate of India. Seasons and rainfall over the country. In India, climate is not uniform because of different factors. You know that in India, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. And one latitude divides, that is name is Tropic of Cancer. (23.5 degree north). It extends 8 degree north to 37 degree north. Its distance is 3,200 kilometers. North side, continental type of climate, because in summer temperature is more and in winter temperature is less. You know that Rajasthan 50 degrees Celsius. And another one, Kargil, minus 40 degrees Celsius in winter. Here extreme hot, extreme cold. And because of these are near sea and ocean, moderate type of climate. Neither so much hot nor so cold. And factors mainly we remember Himalayas. It protect cold winds from the Siberian desert. It check the cold winds. And another factor is latitude. What are the factors? Role of Himalayas. Now I discuss that. And moderating influence of the seas. What I told: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, influencing sea breeze, land breeze, those things. Impact of prevailing wind. In prevailing wind, northeast, another one southwest in winter, which is occurred western disturbance. due to western disturbance, rain happen in North India. Impact of prevailing wind, latitudinal position, altitude, height from sea level. Darjeeling, Simla, some hill stations, they remain cold because of when you go higher at that time temperature will decrease and upper air circulation presence of relief features, these are the factors of climate. Then seasons, 4 seasons: hot, cold, monsoon, retreating monsoon. Hot season March to May, cold season December to February, monsoon season mid-June to end of September. Mid-June to end of September. Retreating monsoon October to November. These are the seasons. And another things, regions of heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall, you know that Mausinam, which is in Meghalaya, they are highest rainfall in the world, that is in India. And moderate rainfall, scanty rainfall, desert and semi-desert areas where 200 centimeter and more than 200 centimeter rainfall, and some areas less rainfall. In desert area, less rainfall. In coastal areas, these are the points, and you go through these points, you will score 10 marks from this lesson. Next part I will discuss in detail. Like, share and comment this video. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.